Right, so I'm at the bottom of the top section of this trail we're about to start work on. I'm filming this with my phone so we don't get that GoPro effect. I can show you how steep this beginning section is. Got a lot of loose rock. Trail just hasn't been maintained. It's just kind of forgotten. And it was never given a name, never put on Strava or Trail Forks. Now we're up at the top, the beginning of the trail. This is the top of Dana Peak, the actual peak. This is the Death Star, filming for the socialdigstancing team trail party. Steep and loose top section, as I said earlier. I'm gonna go right here. And go straight. Straight across. Connect it back down. Let's see if maybe we can extend that further before we connect to this trail. Day one. You see I've put a tree in the way of the fall line. I'm gonna cut that out, do a reroute. So instead of coming down here, we're gonna come from down here. I've just been clearing some corridor, which is where that tree came from, blocking off that fall line now. Switch back right here. Got a natural rock feature right here. All this needs to be bench cut. That'll be the next day. And this is where the trail links back up to the original. Cut out the fall line. Everything up here is the same for now. Still steep at the start, but this can hold together with all this rock. So I'm not worried about that. I was just worried about this. Now we just need to cut some bench. Alright, it's day 2. I'm gonna get some bench cut going on the new reroute. I'm gonna put up a time lapse right now, so let's roll. Okay, so the work so far, as you've seen, first cut was with the pick. Second cut was also, I switched over to the McLeod and pulled everything back to the side. Technique I'm using is actually a half bench cut, not a full bench cut, because I'm not using all this material that I pulled from the top here. The reason I'm doing that technique is because I want to keep this trail at around 20 inches wide, which is the standard for a Whistler black trail. IMBA is 24 inches, so you can see it's called the Pioneering Kit, used for you come with the Humvees. You can find them at surplus stores. You can switch out different attachments. Right now I got the McLeod on there. Now this next section of trail, I'm just going to use the McLeod, pull all the loose stuff back up to that rock right there. Alright, there it is. Rest of the trail up to the rock. Sun's going down. It's time to call it a day.